Okay, so first you open, so you go to Google, you drag any image. By the way, I'm just getting a random Coca-Cola logo. I don't hold any rights to this, not my brand. But then you just drag and drop and then trace it. So there's only a few handful of tools that you really need to know. So I'll just slightly resize the image for my convenience. And then I'll go to the tool here at the top and then select trace. This way I can trace it. So I'll click the select trace area and I'll adjust the threshold, whatever the threshold is. I won't maximize this because it will slightly change the design. So whatever it's required, and then click trace. There's two things you can do. You can do the solid fill and then the outline. I'll just take to outline because I want the outline to be reduced, and then just trace it and boom, I'm done. It's that simple. And this is basically the only thing you really need to know for vinyl. So then you resize the image as to wherever you want it. I keep 9 inches width. And to separate all the elements, you can do is do release components. So you can go release components. Make sure you always add rectangle boxes so you don't waste vinyl, and it's also easy to peel off. So I just use the rectangle box here to adjust. And then I sort of so I see that the lines are solid, everything's fine, and then I'll just use my image to adjust it. I'll keep around 9 inches width. This is the standard for me. I like it this when this design fits. And then I'll try whatever I do is in one design, in one sheet, I try to do two designs so it's profitable. And I'm not wasting any time. And then I'll just rotate the designs and I'm done. This is how you trace a vinyl. So this is how you trace. So this is the only thing you really need. So this is how you trace in the Silhouette Cameo 4. If you've liked this video, make sure you check the playlist of all the Cameo 4 videos. And if you find any problems, make sure you comment and I'll make a video about it.